What do I blast?
You won't forget you.
I don't think I'm blasting. Are you blasting?
I got in a couple.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So just you don't get a satisfying pa-ping, pa-ping.
I don't think so. I think the light turns off and that's what you get.
Gotcha.
That's so satisfying.
You'll never escape!
Never? Shit.
Get comfortable.
You are trespassing.
Oh, okay.
Watch out.
That dude's pretty scary.
You are trespassing. Watch out.
It's not scary the second time. That's General Ghastly.
Yeah. We got Mrs. Ghostly.
Oh.
Beloved son, faithful
fun.
Fido. Oh. Oh, that guy's fun. Ah, okay, that one actually got me.
What?
I guess he'll get you.
Oh. I didn't even think we were supposed to be here.
No. Although apparently didn't one of them tell us we could never leave? Oh, okay. And here we are. I got 30.
I got 950.
Dang.